Let's learn about analyzing temperature extremes. The temperature in city A is negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and in city B it is negative 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Which city is colder? Compare their absolute values in order. Okay, so let's take the absolute value of each one. We have city A, and that's negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and the absolute value of that, we're taking the absolute value of a negative number as a distance from 0, and the absolute value of negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit is a positive 15 degrees Fahrenheit, distance from 0. City B, same idea. We take the absolute value of negative 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, distance from 0 is a positive 5. It's 5 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so city A, city B here. Right there. So let's compare their values. Well, 15 degrees Fahrenheit is greater than 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, how does this make sense? Well, when we're talking about this, we took the absolute value of both of them. We're comparing the absolute value once we've taken it. 15 degrees is greater than 5 degrees Fahrenheit. But we would say that city A is colder, right? Because we're referring to the negatives here. It is more cold than city B. Negative 15 is more cold than negative 5, which is city B. So negative 15, city A, is more cold than city B, which is negative 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And so the change in that difference, the absolute value of them, 15 degrees Fahrenheit, is greater than 5 degrees Fahrenheit. We're talking about the coldness here, since both were negative. Hope you learned something here about analyzing temperature extremes. And as always, thanks for watching.